Quick one. Today we are looking at substitution and change of subject. Okay, so let's try these questions. Now it says make B the subject. When we say make B the subject, it means that let B stand alone. Okay, so this is a fraction. So the first step is to find your LCM. So the LCM of A and B will be A and B. So take note, the LCM will be A and B. So use the A and B to multiply 1, 2, 3 because you have 3 terms here. So AB times 1 over A equals AB times 1 over B plus AB times C. Good. Now let's cancel. Now B will cancel B, A will cancel A. So it's left with B equals A plus ABC. Now the question says we should make B the subject. We have one B here, we have one B here. So the next step is to group like terms. So to group like terms, this B should come. Okay, this B should come so that A will stay. We don't want to retain negative. That's why this B is coming. So I'm going to have B, this one will come. So minus ABC equals A. Now, the question says make B the subject. We have one here, we have one here. So the next step is to factorize. So take note. So B is common. B will come outside. Into bracket, what remains here? 1. Because B times 1 will give us B minus AC. Because B times AC will give us ABC equals A. Now, it said we should make B the subject. So divide both sides by 1 minus AC, 1 minus AC. So this will cancel this. Therefore, B equals A into bracket A over 1 minus AC. So this is how we're going to make B the subject. Now let's go to question 2. The question 2 says express M in terms of R. Now it means that make M the subject. That's all. That's the meaning of the sentence or the expression. Express M in terms of R. So it means that make M the subject. Now to make M the subject, this fraction. So here's over 1. And because here is equal sign, now just cross multiply. Okay? Like this. Good. So you're going to have R into bracket M minus 2 equals 1 times this will give us the same thing, M plus 1. Good. Now let's remove our bracket. So we are going to have MR minus 2R equals M plus 1. Now the next step is to group like terms. So to group like terms, we have M here, we have M here. This M should come so that this negative 2R will move. We don't want to retain negative. So it will be MR, this one is coming minus M equals 1 will stay. So that this one will come plus 2R. Okay? Okay. So we are going to have M is common here. So M will come outside into bracket R minus 1. Because N times 1 will give us M equals 1 plus 2R. We are looking for M. So divide both sides by R minus 1. R minus 1. This will cancel this. Therefore, M equals 1 plus 2R all over R minus 1. So this is how you're going to get your answer. Please and please again, never and never cancel this and this. Don't cancel. Or you cancel this and this. No. Okay? Good. Now let's go to the last question. The last question says, now this one is substitution. Okay? Yeah, substitution. Given that M equals negative 2 and N equals 3, 4, find the value of it means that wherever you see n, put the values there. Wherever you see n, put the values there. So we are going to have n is what? Negative 2. So negative 2 into bracket squared. Bracket open n. N is 3 out of 4 minus 1. Okay. Now negative 2 exponent 2 give us positive 4. So take note. It is not negative, it is positive because negative times negative give us what? Positive. So we are going to have 4. And also try and put the negative 2 into bracket. If you don't put the negative 2 in bracket and write negative 2 squared, you are going to get negative 4. So take note. Okay. So into bracket. Now this is fraction. So find your LCM. LCM is what? 4. 4 goes here 1. 1 times 3. 3. Minus. Here's over 1. 1 goes here 4. 4 times 1. 4. Good. Now, please and please again, never and never subtract 1 from 3. Please, no, it's a fraction. So you have to find your LCM. So take note. Now, 4 into bracket, 3 minus 4 give us negative 1 over 4. Now, since bracket is multiplication, we are going to cancel this and this. This will cancel this. 1, 1. 1 times 1 is what? Negative 1. Okay? So take note. You can also do it this way. 4 times negative 1. Or 4 times negative 1 will give us negative 4 over 4. Which will give us the same as negative 1. So this is how I'm going to solve a question like this. Now let's go to the I. We are going to put in the values. Now look at n. N is 3 over 4. All into brackets squared. Minus 3 over n. N is negative 2. So take note. Now take note, the square here is affecting both 3 and 4. So square of 3 give us what? 9. Square of 4 give us what? 16. Minus 3 over negative 2. Now, when we get here, let's find our LCM because it's a fraction. So the LCM is what? 16. Please, don't do anything negative. You maintain the positive 16, okay? Good. 16 goes here, 1. 1 times 9, 9. Minus, maintain your negative. Now, negative 2 goes to 16, or 2 goes to 16, 8. And because it's negative, it will be negative 8. So, negative 8. So, to be, bracket will be negative 8 times 3. Okay? Negative 8 times 3. So, we are going to have 9 minus 8, negative 8 times 3 will give us what? 24. So, negative 24 all over what? 16. Now, 9, negative times negative give us what? Positive. So, plus 24 all over what? 16. Now, 9 plus 24 will give us 33 over 16. So, try and leave your answer in simplest form. That will give us 2 whole number 1 over 16. So this is how I'm going to solve question II. I hope you are getting everything. That's good. Please keep on following Jack Online Maths. If you have any question, try and ask your question. I'll answer you. Please, if you know you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, try and do so that you'll be notified whenever I upload new lessons. I wish you all the best.